Hello, I just wanted to show you how I bleed and fillet my aloe. So this is the aloe I brought in from outside in the garden, and I usually cut off the bottom. These are about 3 years old. They're nice and fat and juicy, and to reduce the bitterness and the aloe, you bleed them first. So you see how the yellow turns to red in the inside of a jar of water here, and I leave them in there for about an hour, and then I take them out, take off the spines, and I will fillet them in a minute so you can see how that is done. Flat side down. I use an offset spatula, and I usually put it right between the skin and the gel, and I pull it across, trying to get all of that goodness off. Now that they're separated, you do the other side, which is a little more concave, but once you get the offset spatula under there, you can really get the gel out quite easy peasy. And then I add it to water. These pieces now I will blend, and you would have a beautiful base for your green drink. It is very good for burns, cuts, building your immune system. But in this particular case, it's very good for healing any problems going down in your digestive system. From your esophagus all the way through to your small intestines, in your bowel area. It helps with colitis. It helps with ulcers, any kind of nicks or any kind of problems along the lining of your tube going from your mouth to your anus. And the bitter taste is removed from bleeding it first. So you can use this method, and I use sometimes up to 8 ounces in my smoothie. So you can do that too. So just take it and blend it as part of the base of the smoothie. Maybe add in some sea moss, some flax seeds, your leafy greens, coconut water, or shilajit water, or spring water. You add some berries, you add some green apples, and you blend. You have a wonderful mixture that you can have on a regular basis, first thing in the morning.